Ready to launch a 3D printing startup? The right team is your secret weapon. Start with a visionary CEO to drive strategy, a technical lead with deep 3D printing expertise, and a savvy business developer to find clients. Add a design specialist who understands CAD and rapid prototyping, plus a marketing pro to build your brand. Hire for passion and adaptability. This field evolves fast. Look for candidates who thrive in startup environments and can wear multiple hats. Prioritize clear communication and a shared vision to ensure your team moves as one towards success.